Did you know that over 300 million tons of plastic waste are produced globally each year, and only 9% of it gets recycled? And while urban spaces shrink, gardening has been shown to reduce stress by 30% and boost happiness levels. Imagine turning everyday trash into your own green oasis. Sounds like magic, right? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a stunning vertical garden using recycled materials. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need for this project: an old wooden pallet or a similar sturdy structure, empty plastic bottles or tin cans, potting soil, your favorite plants or seeds, paint and brushes for decoration, optional, basic tools like scissors, a drill, and screws. Alright, let's start by prepping the pallet. If you're using a wooden pallet, make sure to sand it down to remove any rough edges or splinters. Safety first. An old wooden pallet is a fantastic base for a vertical garden because it's sturdy, versatile, and readily available. You can often find pallets for free at hardware stores, warehouses, or online marketplaces. Just make sure the pallet you choose is safe for gardening. Look for ones stamped with HT for heat treated, as they're free from harmful chemicals. If you don't have access to a pallet, you can substitute it with other sturdy structures, like a wooden frame or even an old shelf. The key is to ensure it can support the weight of soil, plants, and water. Once the pallet is smooth, decide which side will be the front. You can leave it natural for a rustic look or add a pop of color with eco-friendly paint. Adding a personal touch with paint can transform your vertical garden into a true work of art. Choose vibrant, weather-resistant, and eco-friendly paints to ensure your design lasts outdoors. For a playful look, create patterns like stripes, polka dots, or floral motifs. If you prefer something more minimalist, stick to solid colors that complement your plants and surroundings. Using stencils is a great way to add precision and creativity to your design. You can stencil inspirational words like grow, bloom, or nature's magic to make your garden even more inviting. Don't forget to seal the paint with a non-toxic waterproof coating to protect it from the elements. Now for the planters. If you're using plastic bottles, cut them in half and poke a few drainage holes at the bottom. For tin cans, use a drill to make holes. These will keep your plants healthy by preventing waterlogging. Empty plastic bottles and tin cans are not only eco-friendly choices, but also incredibly versatile. Plastic bottles can be cut to various sizes to suit different plants, from small herbs to trailing vines. Plus, they're lightweight, making them easy to attach to your vertical garden. For added charm, consider decorating the bottles with non-toxic paint or wrapping them with jute twine. Tin cans, on the other hand, are perfect for a more industrial or rustic look. They're durable and provide ample space for roots to grow. You can leave the cans as is for a metallic vibe or spray paint them in vibrant colors to match your garden's theme. Don't forget to smooth out any sharp edges for safety. Next, attach your planters to the pallet. You can use screws, zip ties, or even sturdy wire. Make sure they're secure enough to hold the weight of soil and plants. Let's talk tools for a second. Basic tools like scissors, a drill, and screws are essential to make your vertical garden both functional and durable. Scissors are perfect for cutting materials like plastic bottles, fabric liners, or jute strings with precision. A drill, on the other hand, is indispensable for creating drainage holes in tin cans or securing your planters to the pallet. Choose a cordless drill for maximum convenience, especially if you're working outdoors. When it comes to screws, opt for stainless steel ones if your garden will be exposed to the elements. These screws resist rust and ensure long-term stability for your planters. You'll also need a screwdriver or a drill with a screwdriver bit for easy assembly. For added versatility, keep zip ties and a strong adhesive handy. Zip ties can quickly secure lightweight planters, while adhesives are great for decorative elements. Time to add the soil and plants. Fill each planter about 3/4 full with potting soil. Then gently place your plants or seeds inside. Top it off with a bit more soil and give them a good watering. Let's talk about potting soil for a moment. Choosing the right soil is crucial for the success of your vertical garden. Opt for a high-quality potting mix that is lightweight and rich in organic matter. This type of soil retains moisture well, provides essential nutrients, and promotes healthy root growth. Avoid using garden soil, as it tends to be too heavy and may compact over time, which can restrict root development. You can also enhance your potting soil by mixing in compost or perlite. Compost adds extra nutrients, while perlite improves drainage and aeration, ensuring your plants stay happy and healthy. Now, let's choose your plants or seeds. The beauty of a vertical garden is its versatility. You can grow a mix of herbs like basil, mint, and thyme for a functional kitchen garden. If you love flowers, go for colorful blooms such as marigolds, petunias, or nasturtiums. They're not only vibrant but also attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. For leafy greens, spinach, lettuce, and kale thrive in vertical setups. Succulents and cacti are fantastic low-maintenance options if you prefer ornamental plants. Consider your garden's sunlight exposure and choose plants that match the conditions. For instance, sun-loving plants like cherry tomatoes need a bright spot, while ferns and mosses do well in shaded areas. And just like that, your vertical garden is ready to shine. Find a sunny spot to hang or lean your pallet and watch your plants thrive. How amazing does that look? Not only have you created something beautiful, but you've also helped the planet by upcycling materials. Double win. If you enjoyed this DIY, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future projects. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.